Today we're installing CVS Suite Trial Edition on the 64-bit version of Oracle Linux 8.10. We can see this is Oracle Linux Server 8.10, and here we've downloaded the latest Trial Edition. We can see here, this is the install options that we chose while installing Oracle Linux 8.10, a minimal install. I have done a yum update because there's been quite a few updates since then, but no additional software has been installed at this point. Finally, here are the installation instructions that we are following. So we're just going to start with this one. We actually have the TARF that's already been unzipped already. This is just to install the signing key so that you can check in future that updates do in fact come from March Hare. Now we're just going to install like the very basics here. I think we're going to install this one, and this one, and now can't install that because of a bunch of dependencies. In the book, we do have a whole section on dependencies. So for Red Hat 8.64, and this should apply to Oracle Linux as well. There we go. Now rerun our install command. Okay, because I have chosen the S server, we also need OpenSSL. And now we can install CVS Suite, and that's all there is to it. Here is a quick cheat code to configuring the software. As is initscripts, so nothing important there. Already installed all those. Let's copy these. And then the last one is plugins. We're just configuring the software to auto start and then just starting it for the first time. Doing each of these with sudo. There we go. What we'll do is there we go. There are no repositories at the moment. So I could create a repository. There we go. There we go. We now have a default repository there. So we should be able to do here cvslockd. This is the old CVS version 1. That's my repo. RLS. There we go. So this is how to install CVS Suite Trial Edition on Oracle Linux version 8. Here we have the most recent trial edition of CVS Suite. Thank you for watching.